Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by preparing both sides, Firebase and your Arduino-compatible board. Create a Firebase project and enable Real-Time Database or Firestore. Set permissive rules for initial testing. Install the Arduino IDE and the ESP8266 or ESP32 board support, then add the Firebase Arduino library. Once done, note your Wi-Fi SSID, password, database URL, and API key. You will paste these into your sketch. Make sure to select the correct board and port so uploads. Now you implement the middle steps in code. Include Wi-Fi and Firebase libraries, then declare your SSID, password, database URL, and API key. Initialize the Wi-Fi connection and block until you get an IP address. This ensures stability before Firebase calls. After Wi-Fi is ready, call Firebase. Begin with your API key and token or use a service account token for Firestore. Once initialized, use Firebase. Set, get, update, or push to read and write structured JSON. Make sure to handle failures and retries. Finish by uploading the sketch and watching the serial monitor to confirm Wi-Fi and Firebase handshakes. Test writes and reads and verify changes in the Firebase console. This confirms both ends match. If operations fail, implement retry logic with exponential backoff and validate your board's clock because Firebase tokens can require correct time. One troubleshooting tip: if you see authentication or path errors, recheck API key, database URL, and that your JSON paths match exactly. Small typos cause most failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.